When most people hear the word Toyota, they instantly think reliable, long-lasting, low maintenance. And yeah, that reputation is well-earned mostly. Because let's be honest, not every Toyota engine is a masterpiece. Some are known to last 500,000 miles. Others? They'll have you checking your oil more than your fuel. In this video, I'm breaking down 4 of the worst Toyota engines ever made, followed by 5 of the best engines Toyota has ever built, ones you can still buy today with your full chest. Let's get into it. The 4 worst Toyota engines. Toyota does not mess up often, but when it does, the car community notices. These 4 engines are not total disasters, but they've caused enough headaches, warranty claims, and online complaints to land on this list. Let's break down the ones you'll want to avoid. Number 1. 2AZ. 2.4L Inline-4. This engine showed up in a ton of cars: the Camry, RAV4, Scion TC, and more during the 2000s. On paper, it looks solid, good power, decent economy, and of course, the Toyota badge. But real-world experience says otherwise. The 2AZ is known for one nasty issue: excessive oil consumption. We're talking burning oil at insane rates, sometimes as bad as a quart every 1,000 miles. And this wasn't just a rare issue, it was common enough that Toyota extended warranties and issued service bulletins. If you find a used car with this engine, make sure the oil burning issue was addressed. Otherwise, you'll be topping off more than you're driving. Number 2. 3.0 LV6. This engine powered some of Toyota's trucks and 4Runners in the late 80s and early 90s. Sounds promising for off-road lovers, right? Not quite. The 3VZ is notorious for head gasket failure. This wasn't just bad luck, it was a genuine design flaw. Add in overheating issues, rough power delivery, and poor fuel economy, and it just wasn't worth the risk. Sure, it's from a different era, but these things still pop up in older off-road rigs, and unless it's been rebuilt, you're rolling the dice. This engine is often called bulletproof by old-school fans, but ask any mechanic and they'll tell you, the 3VZ was a headache on a good day. Number 3. 1MFA 3.0 LV6. Used in the Camry, Avalon, Sienna, and even Lexus ES models from the late 90s into the early 2000s, the 1MZFE was supposed to be Toyota's smooth, mid-size V6 for the masses. Instead, it gained a reputation for sludge buildup. Even with regular oil changes, this engine could start forming nasty sludge inside, blocking oil passages and causing wear from the inside out. It was so bad, Toyota had to deal with lawsuits over the issue. Later versions with VVTi were better, but early models are still risky. If you're thinking about buying a used Camry or Lexus from that era, open the oil cap and look inside. If it's dark, gunky, or smells burnt, walk away. Number 4. 8S 2.0L Turbocharged i4. This is one of Toyota's more recent engines, used in vehicles like the Lexus NX 200T, IS 200T, and even some Toyota models globally. You'd expect it to be solid after all, it's a newer turbo engine with modern tech. But sadly it falls short. The 8AR FTS has a reputation for rough idle, turbo lag, oil consumption, and questionable long-term reliability. Some drivers report that the engine just doesn't feel refined, it hesitates, stutters, and wears out components sooner than expected. For a company known for smoothness and dependability, this engine didn't meet the mark. It's not a total disaster, but when you're paying Lexus prices, average just isn't good enough. The 5 best Toyota engines. Now that we've got the engine nightmares out of the way, let's celebrate the real MVPs, the engines that made Toyota a global legend. These 5 motors are reliable, tunable, or just so over-engineered that they've become icons. If you can find one, it's a solid buy. Number 1. 2JD 3.0L Inline 6 Turbo. You already knew this was going to be on the list. The 2JZ GTE, found in the Toyota Supra 4 Malawian Quatches, is one of the most legendary Japanese engines ever made. Period. What makes it so special? Durability. Over-engineering. A cast iron block with a forged crankshaft. This engine can handle 700 plus horsepower on stock internals. Tuners love it, drag racers swear by it, and collectors pay crazy money just to get one. Even today, The 2JZ is respected worldwide. It's more than an engine, it's a symbol. If you ever find one in good condition, don't think just buy. Number 2. 1UZ Fe 4.0 LV8. Smooth, quiet, durable. The 1UZ Fe is Toyota's original luxury V8, found in the Lexus LS400, SC400, and some Toyota Crown models. But don't let the luxury background fool you. This engine is built strong. All aluminum construction. Forged internals. A design that rivals German V8s and outlasts them. It's not a high-revving screamer, but it'll give you silky performance for hundreds of thousands of miles. This engine has become popular for swaps too into drift cars, trucks, and even boats. It's reliable, powerful, and underrated. Number 3. 1G3 4.0 LV6. This is the engine you'll find in the Tacoma, 4Runner, FJ Cruiser, and more. It's Toyota's answer to the question, what engine will never let you down? The 1GR Fe is built for abuse. It can handle heat, towing, dirt, water crossings, and still ask for more. Off-roaders and overlanders trust this engine with their lives because it's just that dependable. Yes, it's a bit thirsty. And no, it's not a speed demon. But if you're buying a truck or SUV with this engine, you're buying peace of mind. Number 4. 2ZR XE 1.8L Hybrid Engine. Hybrids don't usually get much love in car culture, but Toyota's 2ZR XE deserves respect. Found in the Prius and Corolla hybrid, this Atkinson cycle engine has proven itself as a true workhorse. It's not about power, it's about efficiency and longevity. These engines routinely last over 300,000 miles. They've been tested by taxi drivers, delivery fleets, and road warriors around the world. And the best part? They just don't break. If you're looking for something practical and low maintenance, this hybrid engine is hard to beat. 5. 22R/22RE 2.4L Inline 4. Let's go old school for the last one. The 22R and its fuel-injected version, the 22RE, were used in the Toyota pickup, Celica, and 4Runner from the 80s into the early 90s. These engines are the definition of, they don't make M like they used to. They're simple, tough, easy to work on, and they run forever. We're talking 300,000 plus miles with basic maintenance. There are still original owner Toyotas with this engine running strong today. If you want a classic Toyota that will never let you down, this is your engine. Toyota has built its name on legendary reliability, and for the most part, they've delivered. But as we've seen, not all Toyota engines are created equal. The worst engines on this list? They're not always nightmares, but they've got real issues that can cost you time and money. Always check service history, do your research, and if you see those engine codes, proceed with caution. On the flip side, the best Toyota engines are more than just good. They're icons. Whether you want bulletproof reliability, endless tuning potential, or just something that'll never leave you stranded, these 5 won't let you down. If you liked this breakdown of Toyota's worst and best engines, hit that like button, subscribe for more Gearhead content, and drop a comment. Which Toyota engine do you swear by and which one gave you nightmares? Thanks for watching.